Hello, Tenten. Happy 18th birthday. I can imagine you're 18 already. Since birthday mo, all I can say is just take care of yourself, take care of your brother and sister, and make your dreams come true. I think that's all. Just happy birthday and I miss you all. Miss you all. Pamangkin, here's Jonathan to say something to you.
Hello, Ten. Belated happy 18th birthday. Yes, 18 years old ka na.
Oh.
That's legal age. And we are expecting that you'll be more responsible this time, especially sa school mo, sa mga kapatid mo, ika nga ni Tito Jason mo. And I hope you become a responsible daughter. Huwag mong pagbibigyan ng sakit ng ulo yung papa mo at nauubos na yung buhok niyan.
Ubus na rin buhok ko eh.
Susunod na kami. And yeah, we miss you and we love you. And sana pag maramutan mo yung nakayanan ng mga tito-tita mo, ni Lola Andrea mo at papa mo, just to give you this kind of party. And we hope that you're having fun with your celebration. And this is actually our way of saying we love you. Yeah.
Yes.
Enjoy ka lang. And hopefully maging successful ka sa lahat ng pinaplano mo sa buhay. Just always put God at the center of your life and in your family. And again, we miss you and we love you. We miss you all. Hug and kisses to everyone. Nanay, I
She
miss
knows
you.
that. I forgot. Kuya Joben, happy birthday.
Yeah, Kuya Joben,
Baka
happy
nakalimutan
birthday.
ko eh.
Wow, big party din. Sumabay ka pa kay Tenten, ha?
Double party yan ah. Painom ka naman.
Sumashangri-La ka, ha? Sige.
Okay. Just
enjoy the party, guys. Hope you are all having a blast. Good night.
Okay. Then happy birthday again. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy everyone.
Bye.
Bye.